god, that's so not me. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So I'll be doing K makeup today, which is Korean makeup, and it's all about that healthy glowy skin and also that ombre lips and rosy cheeks. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna moisturize my face by using my TATCHA Silk Cream, and oh my god, I have been loving this product so far right now. So next I'm gonna use my ERBORIAN Glow Cream. I got it as a sample and I'm pretty sure it's gonna last me for quite some time. It's a Korean skin therapy. It really helps to give that illuminating pearly glow and radiant complexion. So basically it's a glow base. Next, I'm going to moisturize my lips using Clinique Lip Balm. It has a very sheer pinkish lip color, which is perfect for your day-to-day use. Next, I'm going to take my NARS Radiant Tinted Moisturizer in shade Golden, and I'm going to mix it with my Charlotte Tilbury Youth Glow. I'm going to tell you why, but before that, I'm going to take my all-nighter spray from Urban Decay and spray it in the sponge for the application of my base, because it is really going to help to lock in my base throughout the day. Now, tinted moisturizer is already very light coverage and has that perfect amount of coverage, but it also helps to make your skin look flawless, keeping it more of like natural, your skin type. And I mixed in the Youth Glow as it really helps to brighten skin and also color correct, and also it instantly blurs any pigmentation that you have, giving you that boost of glow. That is what we are aiming for. So next I am going to take my MAC Prep Plus Prime highlighter to brighten up my under eye and areas where I need to. So basically I'm using it as my concealer, but more of like very light coverage. So I'm just taking in my concealer brush to apply it all over smoothly. And so what it does is that it provides instant radiance, and it's also very long wearing and at the same time non-drying. So your skin looks radiant and glowy throughout the day, and I think that is what we are exactly going for today. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish Powder. I'm going to use it with a powder puff and obviously dab it all over my skin. So what it does is it has a very nanoparticles that helps to blur the visibility of your fine lines and also disguises any pigmentation without losing any of that glow from our base. So basically it works wonder on any skin, be it dry or oily, any skin. So next I'm going to move on to my brow. I'm going to take my BROWWIZ from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm doing that because, you know, I have a very arched eyebrow, and Korean eyebrow are more of like thick, straight and short brow, which really helps to make you look younger. But I don't know, I think I managed to pull it out. What do you guys think? Next, I'm going to take my TOMFORD bronzer, and I'm going to use it as a transition color today. I'm obviously going to use it as my bronzer as well. But right now, I'm taking my blending brush and I'm going to apply it right on my crease and start blending it out, creating that illusion of crease even though we don't have it. Next, I'm going to go into my MAC eyeshadow palette, and then I'm going to pack on that gorgeous deep brown color and apply it on the outer V of my eye, because it's gonna create dimension and also depth in the outer V, as it will make your eyes look a bit bigger and wider, because we all know we ain't got that crease for some fancy eyeshadows. Next, I'm packing on that gold shimmery eyeshadow and applying it all over my eyelid, and it will really help to brighten up and also open our eyes. Next, I'm gonna go in and blend in everything together with a clean blending brush, and I guess I'm just showing you the finished look. And next, I'm gonna take my RIMMEL brown eyeliner. You can use your black eyeliner, but I'm just going for a soft look today, so brown would be more perfect. And sometimes, you know, black eyeliner can be very overpowering to your other features. Now I'm gonna take that eyeliner and bring it down and connect it to my lower lash line, and maybe wing it a little bit so that you are extending your eye shape. And to avoid the harshness from the eyeliner, I'm just gonna take my smudging brush and then smudge it very lightly all over. Next is my NYX Wonder Pencil in medium, which is nude eyeliner, and I'm just gonna apply it in my waterline to make my eyes look bigger and open up. After that, I'm taking my MAC eyeshadow in White Frost. Now you know Korean eyes has to have that inner corner beaming, so this product is very highly pigmented, enough to blind some people, okay? For the lashes, I'm going to take my unicorn lashes, and oh wow, it perfectly matches with my nails. And I'm in love with these lashes. It makes my eyes look bigger on dolly. See that? Going back to the same bronzer that we used earlier, I'm going to lightly bronze my face. Not too much drama, just lightly bringing out the features. Now next, call it out for the star of the show, which is Benefit GOGO Tint. It is a bright cherry red tint, perfect to get that rosy cheeks. So I'm gonna go in and add few dots and start applying it with the help of sponge. You can use your finger if you want to. Notice that I'm applying it a little bit above the cheeks because it will really give me the illusion of lifted cheek, making you look a bit younger. So next is my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. I'm adding it on the high point of my face, but very lightly because you want to keep it as natural as possible and make it look like you're glowing from within rather than being seen from this space. You know what I mean. Going back to my Benefit GOGO Tint, I am gonna use the applicator that comes with it and just apply it on the center of my lips, and then with the help of my finger I'm going to diffuse that color outward to give that ombre look. Now to set all the hard work of making it look as natural as possible, I'm going to use my TATCHA Dewy Mist. It will not just set your makeup but also make it look dewy as well. Alright guys, that's it with this video. Korean makeup is all about bringing out your feature, but at the same time keeping that makeup very minimal and also making your skin look more healthier and glowing. So I hope that I've made this video helpful for you guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. Biasa
Better.
It's in the How do you do cute things like this?
I can't